Hi guys, welcome to Danilo Gampon channel again. Bodybuilders don't want you to follow. They invite you to join their journey. Their journey to become strong and healthy. Every bodybuilders here are very busy. They are very busy. Looking at me. Bert will be doing tricep exercise. This guy is very busy doing his workout routine. And his partner is Gabi Concepcion. I mean, Butenko. Doing the flexing. Okay. Chiseled like muscular body is not inborn. You have to work hard. Harder and harder. Next is Gabi again. Tricep exercise. The others are resting. Bicep exercise by Joshua. Dito tayo sa mga malalaki. Renato.
Pagod na. Gusto nang matulog.
Oh,
Natakot na ako kay Boss Gap.
aba, hindi pa tapos ang routine mo. Kunwari ka pa, isang oras ka pa eh.
Antok na ako eh. Gusto nang matulog.
12 hours lang ang trabaho mo, inaantok ka na.
12 hours.
Tapos, plus gym.
Gym. Plus kain.
Kain, tulog. Ganun ang routine natin eh. Everyday routine.
Yun lang ang
In our
araw-araw na
life.
ginagawa ko sa buhay.
Oh. Tignan mo ngayon, di malaki na yung katawan. Oh.
Ang ginagawa ko.
Oh, sobrang bigat yan idol. Back exercise, by Renato. Tayo. Tagal tayo dyan. Oh. Next is Reggie. We'll be doing the chest exercise. What happened? Fixing the machine. Something went wrong. The cable was displaced. Chest exercise by the veteran. Oh, mayroon pa sa labas oh, veterano yun. Si Rebak oh. Yun oh, nagpi-flex yun. Johnson will be doing extension leg exercise. With his instructor and brother. Okay. Ikot tayo doon. Si Dennis ay magliligs ka din eh.
Tapos na tayo.
Tapos na?
Oo. Dito na ako.
Dito. Hintayin mo na lang.
Natulog na matapos.
Dyan muna. Leg exercise. Actually, this is a calf exercise by Dennis. With a tip toe for the calf. Pahinga ka muna, Renato. King Russell is starting for the moment, doing the back exercise. Bibigyan daw kita. Aba, masyadong bigat yan. Tumayo tuloy.
Hindi na kaya.
Try mo. Bawas. Bawas. Yan, sakto na yan. Video. Go. Go. This is YouTube. And Facebook. Go. Sabi ng mga tropa mo, go. Sino papalit sa kanya? Sino papalit?
Tumayo na.
Miguel. Kaya mo yan.
Si Miguel. Subukan mo.
Ano? For the sake of my video, please.
Si Danny style.
For the sake of my video, please.
Ikaw tayo malakas na. Kaya ito.
Don't be shy. In front of the camera, please. Baliwala eh. Parang bulak ah. Laki ng katawan kasi. Thank you. Jano, doing the unilateral back exercise. If you are a bodybuilder, don't smoke, don't drink alcohol. To have a strong and healthy body and to be able to achieve your goals as a bodybuilder. Bodybuilders don't force you to follow. They invite you to join their journey. Exercise
Yan si tropa. Shoulder.
regulates and improves heart and lungs function. We were born to be strong and healthy.
Babayero ng 5. Lalo
Back exercise by Almar. The handsome bodybuilder here in Borosco Gym. Also Adrian. Very handsome.
Very handsome.
Very handsome at that 5'9" is the height.
With 9 chicks.
Okay, go.
Wrestler ba? Parang daw nyo. Di ba may back pa to siya? Yung ano? Yung kapag sa likod. Diretso pa rin. Kung skip.
Kanan din ang pinunod niya. King unilateral back exercise, right arm. Today is August 9, 2024. At 6:45 p.m. Ricky is, Reggie is resting. Don't drink alcohol. Don't smoke. Real alcohol. No. I mean liquor or alcohol. Everybody wants to have a healthy body to prolong one's lifespan for some years. Reebok is also resting a broad and big back. Oh. We will be doing tricep exercise, I think so. Tricep exercise. Exercise can also regulate and maintain an ideal weight. You know. Oh, malaki pa rin. Oh, suntok na kayo dyan. Naka-video na. Ayun. Oh. The next Manny Pacquiao. Ha? Tinatago ko. Nagbi-video ako eh. Oh, flexing oh. Ayan, flexing oh. Oh. Tricep. Ayan ang tricep. Tapos back. Lapad oh. Pang YouTube at saka Facebook to. Ayun ang abs. 6-pack abs. Tatalunin mo si Baki sa abs ah. Hi Baki. Completing the third set of tricep exercise by Reebok. Avoid hanging your legs. For your information guys, Reebok is the most veteran at Brusco Gym.
Baki, sumabay ka na, Baki.
Si Baki. Sino bang naunang nag-gym sa inyo ni Baki?
Ako, 2 taon.
2000.
Year 2000.
2000. Si Baki 2002.
Yes.
Balita ko, sabay kayong sumali sa bodybuilding contest.
Di, nauna siya.
Ano siya?
Nauna siya sumali. 2006 na ako sumali. Huling sali, 2017.
Experience ka na pala sa competition, boy. That is a great honor.
Pero babalik natin yan soon.
To have participated in a prestigious
Tuloy-tuloy lang ang
competition.
bawas. Kulang pa.
Kulang pa. Pwede na yan.
Laging busy eh, laging busy.
Ang busy sa trabaho, sinisingit, di ba? Fit exercise into your schedule to have a healthy and strong body. You have to hit the gym at least 4 times a week to make it regular. Bicep exercise by Joshua. Middle chest exercise by Ricky Boy. Ikaw, Reggie, ilang taon ka na nag-gym, Reggie?
15 years.
15 years. Kaya pala maganda ang katawan mo eh. Nahubog na yan eh. Tinubog ng panahon si Ricky. Si Ricky.
Service.
Oh. Oh, leg exercise by Johnson. Ayun oh.
Pare ah. Kapal.
Oh. Okay na. Aba. Pwede na ilaban sa November yan, boy. Lipa, Batangas. Bodybuilding competition will be held at Lipa, Batangas on November 2024. And today is August 9, 2024. Ayun, palang ginagawa sa stage, oh. May experience. Flexing. Ayun, oh. Thank you. Ikaw, Reggie, wala kang flexing? Hindi ka pa sumali sa competition, eh. Binabalak mo pala.
Pang-romansa lang to. Pang-romansa.
Pang-romansa? Ay, okay yan. Basta healthy.
Pang ano?
Born to be strong and healthy. That is our dream as a bodybuilder.
Good conditions.
Shoulder exercise, leg exercise, texting exercise. Pa dun, no? Back exercise by the guy there, over there, doing the back exercise. This is now is calf crunch tricep exercise by Reba. Okay. Okay guys, papalam na po ako. Thank you again for watching Manila Gampong channel. Bye bye. See you later.